Hello everyone, today I will guide you how to set time and date in this analog and digital wall clock. As you see here, I have got this in hand. So if you also want to set time and date, then this video will be very helpful. Let's get started. At first, we will look at back side of this clock. You can see here, this is the system of analog time where you can easily adjust by using this knob. But here we will learn it first to set digital time. As you see here, total there are 4 buttons. One is set button, another is up to go ahead, and down is to go backward, and another is reset button. This makes everything 0. If you want to set time and date, then you have to press this backside set button at first. You can see here, once you press this set button at the back side, the date starts blinking. And if you want to go ahead, you have to press up button. Like this, you can go ahead by pressing up button. And if you want to go back, then press down button. On the back side, I'm pressing down button. Now to set another function, press set button one more time. Here you will get a chance to adjust month. Press up button on the back side to go ahead. Now to adjust date, again press set button. It will help you to go towards another function. You can see here, now the date have started blinking. Press up button to go ahead and use down button to go backward. Automatically it adjusts the days of a week. As you see here, if I go ahead, 6 means Thursday, 7 means Friday, it adjusts according to it. Now press set button to go ahead. Here you can adjust time. In digital time format, you will get only 24 hours. So as you see here, it's showing 0. If you press up button, it will go ahead. So this is how you can adjust hour. And if you want to adjust minute, press set button. Here you can see the minute have started blinking. Press up button to go ahead on back side. Then press backward down button to go back. As you see here, you got 4 buttons on the back side. Now once you adjust hour and minute to go towards another function, press set button. So whatever the time you have adjusted is fixed over here. So this is how you can adjust digital time and date on this clock. So if you also have got similar wall clock, this video will be very helpful. Thank you very much for watching till the end.